Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the general settings, and here we have to tap on the security and lock screen. Now let's scroll down and find encryption and credentials. Let's tap on it, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got the clear credentials option. So let's tap on it. If you are ready to remove all the contents, just tap on OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your OnePlus Nord N10 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.